Hello once again, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, it always helps. Today I just want to show you my garage. As most of you, I don't have enough room for the cars and for the motorcycle. So what I did was get one of those dollies. This company called, probably we have seen it everywhere, it's from frieght. So I bought it, and this is it. And the first thing I thought is like, well, this is a huge motorcycle. The R18 is pretty big. I don't know if I actually can make it into this, but I'm going to show you. What I'm going to show you is it actually works, and works out pretty good. So this thing has a couple of things here. It's secure. You can take this out. The idea is that it's going to go right in there, and the stand is going to go right here. So let me show you how I do it. Not the right angle. And that's really it. As you can see, it goes right in. When you open it and when you put it together, it's going to tell you that you have to snap it. You have to tie it down somehow because you don't want this thing to go down. So what I do, sometimes I grab it from the frame somewhere here. As you can see, it fits pretty good. So what I do is I put this thing back, then I move this over, and I can just move it. How hard is it? Well, it's not really that hard. That's it. What I do have, I have a little stop on here, just so when I'm backing up into the car, I don't hit that leg. But other than that, that's how I keep the motorcycle, and that helps me with the space. Let me know if you have any questions about the BMW, the R18. Maybe there's something that I want to do, and then we make it a project. Please remember to either subscribe and take a look at any of these videos. It might interest you.